Welcome to the Bridges Excel Learning Series, where we take your Excel skills to the next level. When you're working with a large dataset, it can be helpful to use filters to sort and display data according to a specific criteria. In this video, we'll show you how to turn filters on and off. Filters allow you to sort through values and see relevant values according to your criteria. For example, you could use a filter to only display data from 2015 to 2020. To turn on filters, go to the Data tab and hover over the Filter button with your mouse. Or you can use these keyboard shortcuts to do the same thing, on Mac or on PC. Once you've got your filter turned on, you can click on the drop-down arrow next to your column header. This will open a box with various options by which you can filter your data. You can sort, for example, to put the data in alphabetical order, or filter your data to only show a range of data, for example, countries with population numbers in a certain range. Check out our website for more presentations. You can also download the dataset to practice the functions yourself.